Here's my 2014 EBR 1190RX, and in this video I'm going to show you the RGB, the red, green, blue LED strips that I made. So there's a total of, I believe, 8 of them. Got one on each side of the radiator pod, one on each side of the bottom. I'm sorry, puppy. One on each side of the subframe, one in the center of the undertail, and then one, don't know if you'll be able to see it, yeah, right there. So pretty much, this is what I made. If you're curious how I made these, there will be a link up here somewhere, and I'll show you how exactly I made them, but this one's kind of rather long because it's for my Harley, but anyways, little 4-wire deal, little key fob controller, hook power up to it, and that's all you need. But here's the bike. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the dark. So it's not entirely in the dark, but at least this way you can kind of see the bike a little bit better and the LEDs, but I want to say there is 15 different colors that this controller is capable of doing, various fades, strobes, etc. I honestly don't know how to operate it all. Oh, here we go. But let's see what we have here. Unfortunately, the original audio to this video kind of crapped out on me, so I do have to do a voiceover to the original video, but pretty much what I was talking about in the video was that the controller here that you see, the key fob controller, has the capability of doing or cycling through 15 different colors, a couple different phases as far as strobing, color fades from one to another, also different dims, brightnesses, things like that. So it is 4 buttons. It's labeled as A, B, C, and D. A and B are the top ones, and C and D are the bottom ones. Now, from what I've gathered was that A cycles through the colors, B does the different strobes and fades, C, kind of a mystery. Sometimes it does the phases as well, sometimes it doesn't, and then D shuts it off and turns it back on. So I installed this system well over a year ago, but it's still kind of a mystery. I don't really know how to control it. I know how to cycle through the colors and pretty much turn it on and off. That's usually the only things that I really need to know or do. There is no manual for it. Maybe you can find one online, but it is a cheap eBay system that I use, so it is kind of what it is. So if you're curious of how I installed this system, how I made it out of the RGB LEDs, be sure to drop a comment and I'll try to help you where I can. It's really not that complex. Yes, you can buy a system off of eBay, Amazon, or wherever on the interwebs to install on your bike for probably around like 70 to I'd say 250 bucks, depending on the style system that you're looking for. The multicolored ones that has all the capabilities of the system that I have installed here, on average I would say at least 100 bucks. I made this system for, I would say, less than 20 bucks, probably around like 15 give or take. But if you're interested in how I came up with it, be sure to drop a comment and I'll help you where I can. In the meantime, be sure to like, subscribe, and keep being awesome. Catch you guys next time.